Hi! Today we will learn about the phrase ease back into something. This means to slowly return to an activity after a break. Imagine you stopped exercising for a while. You don't start with hard workouts immediately. Instead, you begin gently. That is easing back into exercise. You can use this phrase for work, hobbies, or social life. For example, I eased back into work after my holiday. It shows you took your time. This helps avoid stress or injury. Remember, the structure is eased back into plus the activity. You say eased back into work, not eased back work. It is a transitive phrasal verb. You can use it in formal and informal situations. Try to use it when talking about restarting something slowly. For example, she eased back into studying after a break. Practice makes perfect. Try making your own sentences with ease back into something. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing and see you next time.